How to use AI automation to extract data from an image in Timetonic. With this new feature, analyze and extract the information found on an image by setting up AI automation in Timetonic. This capability will facilitate data integration for processing expense reports, business cards, or specific needs. Before starting the tutorial, let's immediately look at what it will allow you to achieve. I will create a new expense report, insert an attachment, validate my form, and I will find my expense report categorized under public transport. I have the description, details about the trip that was made, the amount, the date, and the time. The analysis and data extraction by AI are working. Let's look at this concretely. I am in my workspace. I have an expense table. I will create the automation, so I click on Automation, Timetonic Automation with AI. I create a new automation. I name the automation. I add a trigger, an attachment, an additional specific condition, and a necessary automation setup with ChatGPT. Here we are in the configuration window for the AI automation with ChatGPT. I have previously inserted my API key from my ChatGPT subscription, which I do not show in the video, and you can find the tutorial for configuring the AI automation window with ChatGPT just above. Let's start by describing its role by saying, you are an expert OCR system that allows extracting information from an expense report. And now let's indicate to it the question, or rather the prompt, that it will have to execute. And in this example, here is the prompt. In the attached expense report, extract the maximum amount of information in JSON format in the following properties. Be careful. Read your result carefully and compare it again with the original images to avoid mistakes. And here, I give him the list of items he will need to find on the expense report that will be provided to him. The description. Name this expense report in 2 words with the items you find. Detail. Find the information on the expense report and interpret the context in 5 words. Example. Lunch with the potential client to discuss the project. The total price. In the format provided to him, the date and time, and I communicate to him the format in which he must return it to me. And I ask him to categorize the items communicated to him among these precisely worded mentions in this way. Since these are the categorization elements in the multiple choice column, so that this is well assigned, I will link the attachment to the attachments column that will be provided to him, choose the output format in JSON for the fields, then set up the pre-configured destination fields in your table, and then report the matches that the AI will return, which are those you provided in the prompt. Once all this is filled out, you have completed your entire setup, you validate your form, you save your automation, and we will be able to test. Let's now add a new expense report to test the analysis and extraction of the attachment by the AI. I validate my form. The extraction is successful. I have a description, a detail, I have the amount, the date and time, and the categorization. After configuring the prompt in your AI automation, if the result does not meet your expectations, iterate modifications in the prompt and try again until you achieve the desired result. You will have understood. The combination of no-code and AI in Timetonic offers you this great feature. Test it quickly to boost your daily efficiency.